Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a Z-Series Z100 metal detector. This is the box that it comes in. Let's open it up, see everything that we get inside. Get a better camera view on that. So it's got a thank you card, your user manual. It's got a cool cover that comes with it. Anything that comes with a cover, I absolutely love. Cover, case. So absolutely no mistake what is going to be in this bag. So that's pretty neat. It's got a little backpack to it as well. It's got some outer side pockets. So yeah, that's really cool. I've seen where they're just a carry bag, not like a backpack. So that's pretty awesome. So it comes with a pair of headphones that you can plug in. So if you're in a noisy environment like a beach or a park or something like that, that will definitely help you hone in on what you're looking for. We're just going to probably use the onboard speaker, and then we have, so that is your arm part that metal detector goes in, and it is pretty adjustable, and it has kind of like a quick connect on it as well, so you can kind of like slide it up and down. And it's new, so it's nice and stiff, but I give you kind of an idea, so you can like lock that into what size you need. And oh, it comes with a like little like shovel combat knife thing. That's actually pretty slick. So this is another, I guess, grip of some sorts that's on there. We'll have to read the directions to get more into it and find out what's going on. Okay, so this is your battery compartment back here. And it takes not one, but two 9-volt batteries. Also included, so that is fantastic. Let's open these up real quick. Let me get my handy dandy Leatherman out so I can get that unwrapped. We'll protect it off that. Okay. That's one. There's two. Open that up. Alright, so it looks like it goes in this way on that side. Fits pretty good. And this one goes this way. So there's a little embossed graphic down there so you can kind of see which way that goes in. Put our operating battery lid compartment back on. So that's what you get there. So then this is a expandable handle. So that's all pretty cool. And then this looks like this gets put on into this configuration. It's got a little bit of a hook underneath there, if you can kind of see that. Then we'll move this down out of the way. So get that kind of flush and out of the way. Then that fits on there like that. Then we just screw that back into place. Okay, so that's hooked up. Like I said, that is your arm sling. So you can adjust that to whatever you need.
Motion detected at the front garage.
And then this is going to be your part that extends. I guess we just push that in. That makes a nice fit there. Then we can expand this out to length. Obviously don't pull out too far like I just did. I guess it gives you a whole bunch of little numbers to follow to kind of tell you how far. So that's your max right there. Alright, so that's that. that off on the side for a quick second. So let's get the bottom detector plate. Okay. Get the box out of our way. And I was outside before, so my glasses were on the dark side. So they still are a little dark. We're going to be going back outside, but let me just put them on so I can see for the final assembly. And then this has a little piece underneath there. Shimmy this into place. And then we'll put this wing nut back on. Then we'll just adjust that as we need it. Get this wire lead undone. And this wire gets plugged in here. It's only one direction. It has a kind of like a little nib on it, so you can kind of only put it in one way. And then we'll put that back down. So that is your whole metal detector as we go. And you can wrap this a little bit around the handle, make it a little bit less messy. And then power on. So that is your sensor. And then sensitivity wise, we'll bring it outside and we'll see if we can't find some stuff in the driveway. So stay tuned. So that's a screen. So you have a bunch of little target things. There's a bunch of different modes, sensitivity settings, sensor settings. Read through the manual, it kind of explains that a little bit better. I kind of like just put it in kind of like a demo mode. So as we go across, we're going to see if we can't find some stuff. So it's indicating it kind of like some metal parts. And if we look, there's a metal washer, obviously. And then we go across a little bit more. It's indicating it's found some more metal. And obviously this is a screw. So, actually I didn't know the washer was there. The screw is a plant, so I could know in an area where I can find it. But as you're going through, and it'll also tell you like your depths of things that it finds there. But yeah, super useful. I love using these in driveways, so I can find like any nails or screws or anything else that's like sitting around. But anyway, yeah, very cool. So if you are into metal detecting, this is a great unit to get into. Super lightweight, comfortable, super adjustable. But anyway, Ryan from Garage Hall, thanks for watching and be safe out there.